So today I'm going to be putting together another set of LED lights, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what I'm doing. It's another beautiful day here in Maryland, and right now I'm working on these lights. Pretty much I took off some of the roughness, I got rid of all the DOT markings, pretty much made them smooth. And what's going to happen now is that I'm going to give them a quick cover with epoxy to make them sharp. But before I do any of that, I mounted the panels here for the LED lights. No, this one's not gonna get a center panel. I don't want Damien crying about it. But yeah, I got the other light there. These lights came from Texas. If you remember from one of my previous videos, I went to Texas and I helped him put his car back together. And we didn't have time to knock this out while I was there. Also, the lights that he had on his car were a little too far gone. They had way too many cracks. These have cracks too, but they can be easily fixed. But otherwise, what's going on with this one is that I'm testing out this little chrome vinyl here. It's a metallic sticker pretty much. And I'm gonna add that to this one. Here I was just testing the piece. I'm actually gonna make a single piece that goes all the way up to here. And then I'm gonna add some of that to the center because the center one has a reflector with a T10 bulb. And at the same time, I'm also making the harnesses. Pretty much on this one, what I'm gonna try is drilling these little holes like that and like this. And imagine that I have the other light over here. So that one would only have one hole. All the wires would be inside of it. Then the wires will come out of it, go over the license plate and into this lamp, and then all of the wires will come out through here, and then from there down to the quarter. The quarter will be here. Use your imagination. Keep up with me here, or bear with me. Use a lot of imagination here. And to make this a clean installation where he just puts the sockets back in the lights and he can shove them onto the car, I'm gonna use one of the extensions that is provided with the kit to make a plug somewhere that's gonna go somewhere in between the license plate. That way he can unplug them, install them separately, plug it together, and then the only thing he has to worry about is wiring one set of wires, and it's gonna come out of this corner. And he's only gonna have to worry about one set of wires, which is gonna be the wires coming out of this corner, and they're gonna go into the quarter with the orange wire that has to get power from the dome light wiring. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now. I still gotta get the car ready for the show. I haven't really washed it. I was actually sanding on it today, so there's a lot of sanding dust and junk on it. But yeah, I finished the driver's side mirror. It actually looks really good in the sun. It's subtle enough that it's not tacky, or at least I don't think it's tacky. Some of you might think it's tacky. I like it. And then there's the wing as well. But yeah, that's pretty much for today's upload. Hope you guys enjoy that. I'll keep you guys updated on the lights coming up. Also, if you want to see in between what happens in between videos, you can follow me on Instagram, where I pretty much upload almost every day, either short videos or just pictures of what's going on. So yeah, hit the like button.